11. I have plus, past participle. By adding a past participle, you are informing someone of a past or completed action done by you. I have done it.
I have done it.
I have heard that before.
I have heard that before.
I have driven a car.
I have driven a car.
I have forgotten the words.
I have forgotten the words.
I have read that book.
I have read that book.
I have eaten at that restaurant before.
I have eaten at that restaurant before.
I have flown in an airplane.
I have flown in an airplane.
I have forgiven you.
I have forgiven you.
I have seen you before.
I have seen you before.
I have written a letter.
I have written a letter.
I used to plus, verb. Used to. Expresses something that was done in the past, and is not usually done now. I used to develop websites.
I used to develop websites.
I used to jog every day.
I used to jog every day.
I used to paint.
I used to paint.
I used to smoke.
I used to smoke.
I used to work from home.
I used to work from home.
I used to live in California.
I used to live in California.
I used to go to the beach every day.
I used to go to the beach every day.
I used to sing in a choir.
I used to sing in a choir.
I used to like vegetables.
I used to like vegetables.
I used to start work at 6 o'clock.
I used to start work at 6 o'clock.
I have to plus, verb. The words have to describe something that needs to take place soon. It expresses certainty, necessity, or obligation. I have to switch schools.
I have to switch schools.
I have to use the telephone.
I have to use the telephone.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I have to go to the bathroom.
I have to leave.
I have to leave.
I have to unpack my bags.
I have to unpack my bags.
I wanna plus, verb. The word wanna is incorrect grammatically. It is equivalent to want to. When combined with the word I, it helps communicate something you want to do. I want to talk.
I want to talk.
I want to search for a job.
I want to search for a job.
I want to order some food.
I want to order some food.
I want to marry her.
I want to marry her.
I want to listen to that song.
I want to listen to that song.
15. I got a plus, verb. In the spoken form, got to is shortened to gotta and the word have is dropped. I gotta manage my money.
I gotta manage my money.
I gotta obey the laws.
I gotta obey the laws.
I gotta move to a bigger house.
I gotta move to a bigger house.
I gotta impress my boss.
I gotta impress my boss.
I gotta brush my teeth.
I gotta brush my teeth.
16. I would like to plus, verb. I would like to answer that question.
I would like to answer that question.
I would like to compete in a cooking contest.
I would like to compete in a cooking contest.
I would like to explain myself.
I would like to explain myself.
I would like to invite you over.
I would like to invite you over.
I would like to practice.
I would like to practice.
I would like to become a doctor.
I would like to become a doctor.
I would like to see you more often.
I would like to see you more often.
I would like to thank you.
I would like to thank you.
I would like to learn about animals.
I would like to learn about animals.
I would like to meet the president.
I would like to meet the president.
(17) I plan to plus, verb. Plan to. Describe something that you would like to do in the near future. I plan to find a new apartment.
I plan to find a new apartment.
I plan to relax on vacation.
I plan to relax on vacation.
I plan to surprise my parents.
I plan to surprise my parents.
I plan to wash my car.
I plan to wash my car.
I plan to adopt a child.
I plan to adopt a child.
I plan to impress my boss.
I plan to impress my boss.
I plan to watch a movie.
I plan to watch a movie.
I planned to save more money.
I planned to save more money.
I plan to read a book.
I plan to read a book.
I plan to learn new things.
I plan to learn new things.